So here we've got the DGG-6 Raker grinder by Precision Chain Sharpening. You've got to go over the river and through the woods to get this thing, but once you do and go through the setup time of getting it set up, your rakers are a breeze. This is a shot chain I'm using for demonstration purposes. It's a still full comp grind. I've had it on here a bunch and just kind of using it to get this thing dialed in. This grinder appears to have a quality build. All the components are machined. It is made in America. It needs adjustment, but I like it overall. I'm satisfied with my purchase. After you do the 4 Sudoku puzzles and a word search to unlock the password to buy it, it's really a good investment if you're going to be sharpening a lot of chains.